In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable account numbers on the chart of accounts in Quickbooks. This feature can be incredibly helpful for keeping your financial data organized and easy to navigate, especially if you're managing a complex set of accounts. Let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll first need to sign in to your Quickbooks account. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and click on Sign In. This will prompt you to select the version of Quickbooks you're using. For today's tutorial, we'll be focusing on QuickBooks Online, so make sure you choose that option. Once you've selected QuickBooks Online, you'll need to enter your login credentials, type in your email address and password, and then click Continue. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks homepage. Next, look for the Settings icon. This is usually located in the upper right corner of your screen, represented by a small gear icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Account and Settings. It's in this section where you can manage various aspects of your QuickBooks account. Once you are in Account and Settings, navigate to the Advanced tab. This tab contains more specific settings, and it's where we'll make the adjustments needed to enable account numbers. Click on Advanced to proceed. In the Advanced settings, you'll want to find the section labeled Chart of Accounts. This is where account numbers can be activated. Once you locate this section, you'll see an option to enable account numbers. Simply turn this option on by toggling the switch. Now it's crucial not to forget to save your changes. After you've enabled account numbers, look for the Save button and click it. This will ensure that the changes you've made are applied and saved within your QuickBooks account settings. To verify that the account numbers are enabled, you can go back to your chart of accounts and check if account numbers are now displayed alongside your accounts. By having account numbers activated, you'll improve the organization of your accounts, making it easier to manage and report financial information. And that's it, you've now successfully enabled account numbers on QuickBooks' chart of accounts. This simple action can significantly streamline your accounting processes, making it easier to keep track of your financial activities. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it easy to follow and helpful in setting up your QuickBooks account for better financial management. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy bookkeeping.